बता रहा हूँ आपको. So today we are going to hold a discussion. It's about doctors and quacks who are helping people more in the country. Quacks are the doctors not having degrees, diplomas with them. They are just done. They have just done practice. After the practice, they start treating the people in remote areas where hospitals and good doctors are not available. But doctors who are having degrees as well, they are quite MBBS holder and they have got some experience about in hospitals. So, in your opinion, who are helping more people in society, quacks or doctors? Doctors are who are certified doctors. They are having well training program also. They have been trained well better way. So, who would like to start first? We are going to start the discussion. So now you can start. You'll be passing the mic one by one, everyone, right? So start now.
Good morning, all of you. My name is Krishika. Today we discuss an interesting topic. Good morning, all of you. My name is Krishika. Today we discuss an interesting GD topic, which is quacks and doctors. So, in my point of view, quacks are much better than doctors because sometime in the small town, doctors are not available, but their quacks are available, and in the small town, if any people gone serious, they had illness, they are in under the weather, they they had ability uh, uh, to s- to go in quacks for quacks for taking medicines and another things. And if you see, sometimes doctors pay a high volume of amount for medicines, but the quacks gave the medicines in the real amount. So in my point of view, quacks are much better than doctors. Thank you.
Okay. So hey everyone, my name is Mona Shakya. So I just want to answer that I just want to share that doctor is a better because they have a lot of knowledge. I agree that in rural areas and in small town there is a not great doctors over there. But in if I talk about that doctors, they sometimes they didn't find the disease and they give the wrong medicines and injections. So it's harm and sometimes the patient die also just because of their wrong medicines or injection. So these happen in rural areas most as compared to others. So better that they just go for the cities. There is a good doctors and a hospital, and they will check their disease over there, so they can easily find what the hell is happening. That's all.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Amit Kumar. She saying that the doctor is provide the properly treatment, but I want to say that the doctor did not providedly properly treatment because that you know very well mostly doctor open our hospitals and don't have knowledge only have a degrees. So that's why he's a after that he's a treatment and earning the money only deceased person. So that's a, no. But you know if the quits yeah, you called him I have sick, so that's a they have provided you suddenly treatment and they have treat suddenly, so you can feel restly. After that you can go other way. When did you want to go, you can take the treatment, but suddenly you need to the quits. Thank you. Is you anyone?
Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Myself Shrikant Sakya.
Loud and clear, please.
Good morning, everyone. Myself Shrikant Sakya, and today I'm gonna share my personal point of view about the topic that we are discussing here. Who is more helpful for our society, doctors or quacks? First, I want to talk on both the cases, doctors as well as quacks, because both are important for our society. Depending upon the situation that we had. Uh, about doctors, doctors are very important for our society because they are worth trusting, not because just they have a degree of MBBS, but they also have an adequate knowledge about the diseases and the disease that we are suffering from, and they have to spend if you in India, that if you want to become a professional doctors, you have to prepare for NEET exam and scoring good marks, then get a medical college and spend 5 years long journey. So when you spend this long time, then you learn so many diseases and causes and treatment as well. So after that, getting MBA degree, then they have to serve the 3 years for where in rural areas, where the doctors are not available there. So it is it is not that doctors are taking huge amount of money, but sometimes it is important to approach doctors because they have adequate knowledge, and we have a uh, it is good that in doctors lines there are so many categories. Some doctors are neurologist, cardiologist, and dermatologist, so there are so many categories. So it is good that if we are suffering from any kind of personal any particular disease, then we can approach doctors according to our disease. Like if we suffer from heart disease, we can approach cardiologist. If we suffer from any skin disease, we can approach dermatologists. So it is good to approach doctors. Uh, but I want to mention quacks also, because I had an experience and when I was in class 10th. So before 1 month of my board exam, I got dengue. So my father, without any days, my father admitted me in a hospital. It is situated at Dalbagh. So I spent 3 days over there, but my condition is not up to the mark. So my father decided to discharge me from there, and one of my elders, brother-in-law, he suggests to my father that I know doctors, quacks in my place, and uh, I saw many cases of dengue, and he cured them, all of them. So it is better to brought him here and see what happened. So my father, on the same day, my father reached out that quacks, and when I went over there, I still don't believe, because when I discharged from that hospital, I had only 28,000 platelets left in me. So I don't believe that how can a coax cured me, because even a professional doctor can't do that. So how can it is possible? So when I went over there, the even the clinic of the quacks is not good condition. The walls are not well painted. So the chair in which I said, it is also not good. So I was like that it is not possible. So but when he injected me 5 injection back to back, so right after half an hour, my condition become well, and so he started treatment. So after 2 days, when he took a blood sample, and for count for seeing the platelets, right now I have. So after 2 days, I had 1.5 lakh platelets in me. So and after that, he said that now he's perfectly fine. You can take him home. And so on that day, I believe that I started believing in quacks, because uh, sometimes quacks who have good amount of experience, more than 10 overall. So it is not bad that you can approach him. If he had enough experience, then you can uh, approach him, reach out him, because many quacks, if you have enough knowledge about quacks, then you can approach him. And I want to mention also, because we are the Indians, we always look first cheap over expensive. Cheap doesn't mean that bad things. I want to mention it. Cheap means under budget and with good quality. So we the Indians first see the about our budget that we have. So so I want to mention that quacks sometimes also play an important role in our society. So it is better if you have good experience. If you know any quacks, then you can approach him. But I want to give suggestion one suggestion. If you don't know any kind of such quacks, then always prefer doctors, because they are worth trusting. And more importantly, as the sir said that if you God forbid if you have a severe injury, then none of the quacks can cure you, only doctors can do it. So uh, it is depend on you how can you it is depend on a person who, if someone wants to prefer quacks, then he can do it because he know that quacks very well. So thank you for listening me with this one of patience and affection.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Harsh Mittal. Today we are discuss about doctor versus quacks. According to me, doctor is a better. According to quacks, because of that, doctor. If any person going to a doctor, doctor asks the problem that patient and asks the patient that doctor, and then doctor analyze that problem after they taking ja- they taking analyze that problem after taking medicine. But quacks if person going to a quacks and that that's not problem. Only quacks that give it a medicine, not that you are doing better that. Thank you.
Good morning. My name is Bhumi. In my opinion, doctor is better than better quacks because doctor have so much knowledge, degrees, and they have also license. If people not satisfied, so they can complain about doctors, and doctors can surgeries people. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Saratha Kumari. Good, good morning, everyone. My name is Saratha Kumari. Doctor and quacks both claim to treat people, but only trust helps people. I think doctor is good. Quacks on the doctor are qualified, trained, and follow science. They save lives through knowledge and care. But quacks on the hand, untrained and fake treatments. I think doctor is good. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Anshika, and I am favor in doctor. Doctor professionally trained and qualified with many years studies, and they can handle with betterly surgeries, complex conditions, and emergencies. But the quacks is not handled with betterly. Doctors can handle betterly, and we can show in during COVID-19 doctors risk our own lives and save our pupils. So I my opinion ki doctors are better in quacks. They handle emergencies betterly.
Good morning, all of you. My name is Poonam Chaudhary. So my opinion is Quacks doctor is better because there are no hospital in village and town. There is no facilities in village town. We there are no facilities. So we call the Quacks, and he also come on time, and any emergency you can call Quacks doctor. So they can also come in the house, and in the um, and he start the start treatment immediately. And someone tell quacks doctor is not better, but he is also better because the village are not facilities. So village people also go quacks doctor, and they take you a medicine, take you injection, and there are no cost, no extra fees. So that's why quacks doctor also good. That's my opinion.
Good morning, everyone. So my name is Nipun Sharma. So my point of view, के both are depend on condition, doctor and quacks. Just like जैसे कि because the doctors helps hospitals, clinic, and our practices, and because doctors, my village condition, just like doctor is not available, and so quacks are helpful for uh, their persons, and doctors helps prevent diseases by giving uh, practices. Thank you.
Hello guys, my name Harsh Yadav, and today about very discussed topic in Doctor and Quiet. According to him, identification is a good doctor. Any student pass 10th and select PCV 11, 12 PCV after board exam. We have preparation, NEET exam, and every day 13, 12, 13 hours hard working and give our 2, 3 attempts, and we have selected in MBBS. And student past 4 year MBBS and 1 year PG and 4, 5 years many practice and knowledge researching. So degree identification doctor is very good, and 5 year after 5 year placement in a government college. But some doctor we have no going to government hospital, and he have his open his hospital, and we have more charges for people. That's why in so that's why Indian people support in quiet doctors. We have many low charges, fees very low. Thank you.
Good morning, all of you. My name is Derek Vishal. Uh, Doctor is good. Why? Because reason of doctor are qualified to medicine, and um, professional doctor are wo study for 4 years to understand the human body. They diseases provide to proper facility, and they work scientifically, medical allow medical, and save countless lives every day. So doctor is better, my thought.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Isha. In my opinion, she said, if if no no if no hospital in villages, then quacks are available at their place. Uh, for recor- for removing this situation, uh, a big hospital recognize recognize a camp for helping pupils. Then doctors, then big doctors treat the pupils, villages pupils, and find the diseases, and cure the cure the disease. And treat them. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. My name is Anjali Bagil. Today, my point of view is doctor is more better than quacks, because a doctor who is person that he is he is professional training. He has uh, hmm, he has professional training, and he has also a license to medical education. So my point of view, a doctor is more better than quacks, because in the uh, in the that's it.
Okay, so everyone said that what is coax and what is doctor. Now I will give the one example, then you can clearly understand what is the difference between both. So, okay, one of my friend, that name was Jack. He was a corn in their foot. Okay, so he went in a coax and then said, "Doctor, what happened with my foot?" So he did, okay, there was a cone and I will cut it we do a small surgery and cut it, then you got well. So they did. Okay. So in the neck, after the 15 or 1 year, 1 month, again the cone happened in the same place. So then he went a doctor with a great hospital, and he has a more educated. So then the doctors, then they again the Jack said, okay doctor, what the hell is happening with my leg? So doctor said, okay. Then they tell about what the hell happening before. So doctor said, okay, there is no need to do any surgery. You can buy a corn strip and paste there. There you have a problem, and after 1 week, then you gradually you got your leg has been cleared and well soon. So that was the difference between the doctor, educated doctor, and coax. Thank you.
And become a quiet doctor is very easily after 12th pass, and we can join any medical and doctor shop. That's after that we have most some knowledge like paracetamol, crocin, and open the shop. And but quiet doctor, small disease like fever and headache easily handle, but many more disease not handle. Thank you.
You know that the experience not have the, if experience more experience have a quite doctors, but degree don't have no. But you know, you see the in our society the women how to say die delivery करा दी है. You know, Dai don't have a experience only. He don't have a degree. He can make burn the child, but doctor they can't do this without operation. So you know, without any other expenditure expenses, they are delivered and save the money. But if you go to the hospital, so they also do the operations. So that's according to me, the quit doctor is better than the degree doctors.
No, sir.
He said earlier diet used to be there, when nowadays we go to hospital. When our lady she is pregnant, we have to go to hospital for getting a baby. But when earlier we used to have diet, old lady, she could easily get a child born over there. So we don't have to go for under the knife, we don't have to go for any surgery. These days all the doctors have applied one policy, it has a lot of money in there. When they go under the knife, but they follow the treatment, surgery for taking the baby out. So it will have one solution. The first solution is that we'll have less kids, and second one is that they'll be able to earn more money. They are just making a person scared. That's how they mint money. Earlier, guys used to have natural baby born, natural processor. No animal you would see having surgery, but human being they have to go under the knife. Why? Go to the doctors. And professional doctors are doing that, not those doctors. Still, you would see many people available in our society, in local hospitals. Whenever a pregnant lady goes, they are delivering normal baby. They are providing normal delivery baby. Many people in local areas. But whenever you go to hospital, you would not find any single person who is having normal delivery. Illiterate also. They are illiterate also. They are illiterate. So, what do you have to say about this? Now go ahead.
Hello. So my point of view ke both are depend on situations, quakes and doctors. So heart disease in the depend on doctors, and soft disease is a way of quacks depend on situations. My point of view, and doctors mostly persons believed on trust on doctors, because doctors must gain knowledge क्या था वो gain knowledge, advice and vaccinations. So this is my point.
The question was different, but okay.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Kushi. In my opinion, doctors are better than quacks. Doctors are professionally trained, and injury and illness they are scientific degree, but quacks are not scientific degree and professional courses. Quacks, they give medicines sometimes are better than field, but doctors are professional. Patient, they thank you.
As everybody is counting the number of the people who have made many mistakes, quacks. But do you think that having scientific degree and diplomas, people who are well trained, they are not making mistakes? I have seen so many news are there. They have also lab seasons inside the stomach while operating the patient. They have made so many mistakes. What would you like to say about this?
Hello everyone.
They do not. Why like
Hello everyone. In my opinion, doctors are better than quacks because they truly protect the society health, and they spend years to gain knowledge about surgery and uh, diagno- diagnosis. And quacks give quick treatment, but and quick quacks give quick treatment, but uh,
So, some people says the doctors are much better than uh, quacks. But in my point of view, doctors only mint money by the peoples. They gone scare the people and told them that that patient are very serious, and they mint money to the illiterate peoples. And I had an example. Uh, my mother's uh, my mother's sister admitted in the hospital, and she's die, but doctors say no, she's good. She will uh, better after some time, but she's only she had only last so how to say,
last breath was left?
yeah,
She
she
was in the
had
last
laughed.
stage.
She's in last stage, but they doctors only mint money to the my mother's parents, and they she's gone die. So doctors only make money with the illiterate peoples, but the quacks, they are uh, they uh, they gave um real medicines in the same price, but the doctors who had professionally educated, they told that medicines are much better than that medicine. So doctors only makes money. Thank you.
So ma'am is telling ke doctors quacks better than doctor, but mostly places doctors are not available, so helpful for quacks. So, but ma'am, you are wrong way. Doctors both are the same condition, depend on situations.
In any emergency, you call the doctor, and you told in emergency in my home, so doctor tell you, first of all, you take appointment, and then you go hospital, and first of all, he told you, pay submit the money, and then he will started the treatment. That this is the wrong.
Request someone to reply with this. Why doctors ask for the fees when we go to see him? When we are going to visit the doctor, why they are charging fees? I want to ask this thing.
Okay.
Anyone can tell? Like let's say if someone has 600 rupees, 700 rupees, just to meet the doctor.
Yes, it's a very high.
Uh, the question that's asked that why the doctors, professional doctor ask fees. It is because they are spend long journey or more than sometimes it can go up to 10 years. So it is and they are professional doctors as well. So many people's starting approach him if they don't take charge, because if because quacks are did not taking do not take any charges, and so many people reach out him and uh, get treatment in cheap amount. If doctors also do the same thing, then they have to uh, they have to treat uh, many people's, because people's starting approaching him because they didn't take any fees. And sometimes if any doctor who opened a hospital, then then it also need money, because over there if any patient admitted there, then there's lot of equipment required over there. So it has become their right to take charges, and many appliances needed if someone goes there. So it is like so I think because of this.
Okay, so I just want to share that why doctor charges. Uh, as my brother was a doctor, he is a doctor, so he was went in a government that was named in it nearby yes, SN. So he went there and for the training. So he noticed that one lady came for asking any. She has a pregnant lady, so she is asking something for my brother. So the next one, the her mother-in-law came. So then my brother asked, "Okay, what's your problem?" Then he said, "I just come just this what my so how to say बहू को क्या बोलते हैं? Sis, वो daughter-in-law." So he came. He just said, "I just come here to check what my why my doctor-in-law come here to check that." So this is how in a doctor they'll charging. So they are not allowed to go there easily. They give the pay fees, then they enter the room. That's all.
Sir was saying that why did doctor chargeable? Because according to me, the doctors study long time, spend money. Then after that, they go mostly doctor go abroad and take the education loan. So that's why he is responsible for that. If after earning money, they chukana, how to say, pay off the loan. If you know that if any the government, any other person provide the rahat, how to say, recession, so they are giving the service without cost. Like that, you can get Dialbag provided the service. So that doctor giving a our time free without they don't take the fees. And you know also the government hospital did not take the fees. So mostly we are the providing the service. So the doctor don't take fees. Otherwise, doctor have a load of the education loan and mostly expenditure and take the machinery. So that's a reason that they have to take the fine.
My name is Aishi Gupta. I am telling something cracks and doctors. Like the cracks is only depends creating a pupil well only, but doctors with the help treatment or symptoms that like that we have a fever, we are checking her blood pressure and many things we check. Then after give medicine and सर क्या बोलते हैं, कोई भी वो देते हैं, कोई भी चीज़ क्या बोलते हैं उसको, इक्विपमेंट्स कोई भी चीज़ को देते हैं, बट द quacks did not give only check and give medicine. There is a bigger reason. Doctors are professionally so treat all things, check, then after give medicine, but quacks only see her condition and give medicine. And that is a bigger fees charge, but quacks not fees. Quacks also charge, but little amount. But doctors charge more amount. There's a bigger, and because he filled a lot of buildings, and that the charge he preparing buildings to rent.
They are charging for the infrastructure which they are provided.
That's reason. Uh, why doctors uh, why doctors charge fees? In my opinion, quacks are a single person. They don't need any amount visiting fees and any amount. That's why they don't they don't they don't they don't they don't ask for amount in hospitals. They have so how to say बहुत सारे लोग हाँ, so many staffs are working there in hospitals. That's why doctors are asking for charges. Thank you.
Many people many people go for quacks. Sorry, etc.
Other question is that why doctors are prescribing expensive medicines? As I have just said, generic medicines are there, which are just less amount which is required. The amount which is charged from the patient to be 10 rupees, 20 rupees, 30 rupees, right? The same amount is given to doctor when it comes to English medicine. They are providing them just 300, 500, 600 rupees. Why is it so? Why doctors are not prescribing, not promoting generic medicines? Why they are promoting English other medicines? Reason please. Answer this.
Many people go quacks because of money, and some situation are that which can be controlled by quacks. So they suggest go for uh, go for professional doctors.
Answer the question, please. Why they are not prescribing generic medicines? Why they are prescribing those medicines? And are they earning money from this?
Yes, I have described because student medical college studies like sir ज़्यादातर sir
Most of the time.
more maximum time study in English medicine and English medicine so give doctor and give a patient medicine in English medicine and earning money but some earn depend on earn medicine earning money that is matter okay
Next one, please.
because there
Why
the people want to know suddenly result. That's why reason that if you know better the English medicine better than the Ayurvedic medicine, but don't the people don't know take the Ayurvedic because it's very sasti, how to say very cheap, but then don't know take that and very they are not harmful for us, but English medicine harmful. That's why reason that they purchased because they want to suddenly reaction in our body. That's the reason that
they want instant
if you are,
instant results.
if they are not giving the English medicine, they are not they are working the slowly. So they are said that doctor is very bad. They are not able to know our bimari. That's my
Doctor
reason.
is not able to clarify the disease because if they prescribe those medicines. Generic medicines are homeopathic medicines. Generic medicines don't work. Have you ever listened to generic medicines?
General medicines also
Yes. Not our medicines. Medicines which is also work, similarly working as any medicines are working, but some medicines are not. I'm not talking about home remedies. I'm talking about medicines. I'm talking about the medicines which are made by the government for the people when they have also created these things. Okay, as I people call it homeopathic. Homeopathic is this medicine. It may take time to get the people done. I'm talking about generic medicines, they work as other medicines are working. But people don't trust them. What people don't trust them? Doctors never prescribe them. Now, why do Dr. Prasad then so we will get more money from this? When we get money out of this, then they start prescribing medicines. Anyone else like to say something? Conclusion, do not first. Anyone would like to see conclusion? No. So, thank you everyone.